Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate chip cookies fast. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, and half a cup of packed brown sugar. Don't forget 1 cup of chocolate chips. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Using softened butter, not melted, will help you cream it quickly with the sugars, saving valuable time in your baking process. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together half a cup of softened butter with half a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of packed brown sugar for about 2 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until just combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/4 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gently fold your 1 cup of chocolate chips into the dough until they are evenly distributed. Avoid overmixing to keep your cookies tender. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them in your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Once baked, let your delicious chocolate chip cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This helps them set up and prevents them from breaking when you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. They're perfect warm, but cooling them fully enhances their chewiness. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed while you bake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.